Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Annette. This is Oscar. I am not at my usual spot today because today we will finally put the boat to water. So I am at the lake. My boat spent the last 2 years on the dry dock at my parents' backyard, and they live in the north and then I live a little south, and then the lake is even further south. So my parents generously offered to drive to our little vacation home here, bring the boat, and I just met them here for breakfast, and we are cleaning up, and then we are going to the boat ramp. If you ever use a boat ramp and you're not a super pro, you might know that it can get stressful. At least for me, it is one of the more stressful situations that my life has to offer. I will try to get as much footage as I can and film as much as I can, but I will have an active role. I can't make any promises regarding quality or quantity of what I'm able to film. I don't have a GoPro that I can just strap to my chest and film the action, but I'm gonna try my best. Let's just go and let's get the boat to the water.
Oski, hi.
Hi, Leo. This is where we need to go. Hi, this is me 2 days later. On Saturday, everything went well. I did not get to film as much as I wanted to, as you probably saw. When we got to the boat ramp, there was a little electric boat in front of us, and they took off the entire trailer and then manually walked the trailer into the water without the trailer being still attached to the car. And the boat didn't look much smaller than my boat, and they were just 2 of them, and it was me, my mom, and my dad, so we were 3 of us. And we decided to just try it out because driving backwards into the water with the trailer it's feasible, definitely, but it's stressful as all heck. So we decided to just give it a try. We walked the trailer into the water. The boat ramp isn't very steep, and it worked. It was a little quicker than maybe we had planned to. Just in the last second, when the trailer basically was already in the water, and it just slid into the water, no problem. It was immediately stopped by the water and the gravel. But yeah, that worked. That spared us a lot of nerves that we would have otherwise probably lost. Today I'm going to use what's in this box, which is a boat tarp, and put it on the boat because right now she is pretty naked and it's supposed to rain a little bit in the coming days. After that, I'm gonna go home and sleep off my little heat stroke from Saturday. these are the two covers. So one is boat cover size 3 and 560 by 230, and then this is 480 by 230. I'm going to try this one first. Promised you to tell you a little bit about the naming. So that happened 2 years ago. I really didn't know what to name her. I wanted something short and sweet, nothing crazy, but also nothing silly. I kept off of naming her for a little while, and then I watched Jurassic World 3, and the second I saw Blue, the velociraptor, I knew that that would be perfect. They both have a blue stripe. They are both not very big. And then I like the irony of my Blue being absolutely not a velociraptor, because she is too slow. She is so slow. So yeah, that's the whole story behind her name. I like it. I like the name. It's short and sweet and not meaningless. Okay, the cover doesn't fit perfectly. I know, but I think it's a cover that I will stick with. The alternative is to have something like this, custom made, and spend hundreds of euros on it, if not thousands. And I think you have to keep in mind the price that the boat costs. I don't think that unless there's a huge sentimental value of the boat, which, to be honest, my boat doesn't have yet, there's no point in spending more money on a boat cover than you spend on the boat itself. Maybe one day when I'm rich and don't know what to do with my money, then I will get something like this made. I don't really know where this channel is going to go next, because it started off as a boat restoring channel and I am done with the big repairs. Obviously I could go on and on and on with this boat. I am dreaming of buying a bigger boat at some point. For now I have to stick with an electric boat because of this lake where I have the jetty. The license for an electric boat is the only one that's actually feasible to get. However, I'm going to start a new job next month, which is close to the Danube, and on the Danube I would be allowed to drive a boat with a diesel motor or just like a gas engine, not just an electric boat, and that opens up a lot more possibilities. On the other hand, I am in the business of sustainability, so driving a non-electric engine comes with a little bit of a moral dilemma. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that. I'm also in a few weeks going to go to Italy to get my boating license for the ocean. I think it's different in Germany than in many other countries, but in Germany you have to get a boating license, like if you exceed a certain amount of horsepower, you have to get a boating license for lakes and rivers, and then there's another license for the coastal areas. It's very much gamified. That's what got me into it. So I've got the first one, now I'm working on the second one, and then once I've got that, I can get 2 more for the ocean, and then it includes little side quests like getting your astronomical navigation certificate and your radio license. So I might take you on a trip to Italy with me, to Elba, and then I don't know, I mean, I enjoy doing more things than just boating. I enjoy building things. I've got a few projects that I started, that I also started filming, that I haven't done anything with. So if you're interested in any of that, then I would love if you subscribe to my channel, and if not, that's fine too. I really can't make any promises of what is coming next, because I don't know what's coming next. And that's where I'm gonna end this video for now. Have a great day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes now, and Oscar has to go for a poop, I think. So yeah, I will see you soon in whatever video that will be. If you have anything that you want me to talk about, leave it in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye.